All right, so now we are back to every odd question. So every odd number question. Okay, so this is a difference of squares. So this is q minus 11 and q plus 11. And then here again, difference of squares, x minus 2y and x plus 2y. And then, oh man, factors of 168. What are we doing with all these big numbers, right? Well, you have to know how to do this, so it is important for you guys to work with some larger numbers, even though you don't like it. I'm sorry. Okay, so 1 and 168. 2 and somebody, 84. Is it divisible by 3? 7 plus 8 is 15, so it is divisible by 3. So we might have to do a little bit of side arithmetic. So 168 divided by 3, 5, 15, 1, 8 is 6. So 3 and 56. Let's see, 4. 4, so 168 divided by 4 is 42. And then 5, no. 6, yes, because it's divisible by 2 and 3. So 168 divided by 6, 12. That's 2, 12, 48. 8, so 6 and 28. 7, I don't know. We could do it by hand. 2, 14, 28. Oh, yeah. Hey, look at that. 24. 7 and 24. Lots of factors. Let's see. We're going to run out of room with all these factors. So much good arithmetic. Okay. And then 168. So 8, maybe. Yep, 8 is going to work. 8 and 21. 9. 9, I do not think works. 10, no. 11, eh. 1, 11, 58, no. 11, 12, 168 divided by 12. Let's see. 1, 12, 48, 4, so 12 and 14. And we are done because 13 does not work. It's not going to be a perfect square, so I'm back to 14 again. Okay, so 168. I'm looking for 26. Lucky number 26. Hey, 12 and 14. Look at that. 12 and 14. So this is x plus 12 and x plus 14. Okay. Now, 72. 1 and 72. 2 and 36. 3 and my memory is fading fast. 24. 3. Oops, I already wrote 3. Ha ha ha. 3 and 24. It's getting late. Well, late for me because I'm old. Okay, 3, 4, 4 and somebody. 1, 4, 32. So 8, 4 and 18. 5, 8. Oh, wait, 6 works. Ha ha ha. 6 and 12. And then 8 and 9. Which we want 8 and 9. So draw our little X. Yes, I want to see the X's. I know you don't like it. But I'm preparing you for the next class because I know that your next teacher is going to want it. And then we have to talk about like the next section because it's weird to me. But we are like unifying this process. And so we're kind of catering towards, for right now, your pre-calculus teacher in the future. But we'll talk about, like, in the end, it actually doesn't matter whether, where you put your numbers in your box. So I know, like, right now, right, I have my negative 16 on top and the 72 on the bottom. You could put the 72 on the top and the negative 17 on the bottom. That's not how your next teacher wants it. But in the end, you could actually do it that way, and it actually doesn't matter as long as you remember that you have to multiply to get 72 and add to get negative 17. Okay, so in the end, it actually doesn't matter, but I know that your next teacher wants it a certain way, so we will do it her way. Okay, let's move on. 35. So -2, -35. When you guys come back to me in a calculus class, I'm hoping you'll never have to draw these x's, like, ever. I hope that it'll just be, real quick and real easy for you guys to do this. So that's my hope. 1 and 35, 5 and 7. So that's actually the ultimate goal is, well, you have to do this in this class for right now and in your next class. After that, when you get to a calculus class, like, I don't care whether you draw the x's or not. Main thing is that you can factor, and the main thing is that you can get the right answer. It does no good to draw the x's if you get the wrong answer. So just so that you guys are kind of aware. Okay, 40, I don't want to do factor tree. 1 and 40, 2 and 20, 3, 4 and 10, 5 and 8, 6 and nobody. Okay, so I'm looking for 22. So that is a -2 and a -20. So x minus 2, x minus 20. Okay, and I am rearranging this so that it comes with the highest exponent of x first. That's kind of how we like to write our factors. So -1 on top, -42 on the bottom, -7 and 6. So this is m minus 7 and m plus 6. Moving right along, we'll do it again. Lots of x's, just like lots of boxes, right? -13. There's no factors of -13 that had to give me 5, so this is prime. Moving along to 17. 7 and 12, so 1 and 12. Ooh, oh my gosh, my handwriting. 2 and 6, 3 and 4. So this is 3 and 4. So this is n plus 3 and n plus 4. Okay, to 119 with factors of 20. Okay, so 9 on the top, 20 on the bottom, 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 4 and 5. So it is 4 and 5. I don't need you to write all the factors out. I don't know necessarily if your next teacher wants all the factors written out, but I would say stop writing your factors when you know what your answer is. I think the only time we ever care about your factors is if you're getting the wrong answer. Okay, so again, 1 and 21, factors of 21, 1 and 21, and 3 and 7. So this is prime. And then again, so 4 on top, 4 on top, -12 on the bottom. So 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. So I want a positive 6 and a -2. So r plus 6 and r minus 2. 56. Question 25. 56 is my factors. So 15 and 56. So 1 and 56, 2 and 28. 3 doesn't work. 4 and 14, is that right? 5, 6, 7, and 8. So -7 and -8. So t minus 7 and t minus 8. Okay. And then -12. So I want -1, -12, -4, and 3 are my factors. So 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. So x minus 4 and x plus 3. Okay, that's 27, 28, 29. So m squared minus 3m minus 4. So again, draw my x's. Negative 3 on top, negative 4 on the bottom, negative 4 and 1. 1 and 4, 2 and 2. So then I'm m minus 4 and m plus 1. So now my factors of negative 20, 1 and negative 20. So then that's 5 and negative 4. So then I have x plus 5. And x minus 4. 33. Okay. Which I think this might be the last one. No, just kidding. Still more. Okay, 18. 1 and 18, 2 and 9, and 3 and 6. So it is 2 and 9. So this is q plus 2 and q plus 9. Okay, 35. Oh, we're almost there. One more page. Okay. So 2 on the top, negative 15 on the bottom, 1 and 15, 3 and 5. So this is 5 and negative 3. So x minus 3, x plus 5. And remember, it doesn't make any difference which way you write them. Okay, that's not going to factor at all. Okay, so I can't have a negative 4. Oh my gosh. A negative 14 on the top and a negative 5 on the bottom. So this is prime. Okay, and then 24, 144. So 24, 144. So 1 and 144, 2 and 72, 8, 9. So 3 and 4 would make 12, 24. So 3 into 24 is 8. 4 is 36. 5, 6, and 2, 12, 24. 6, 7, 8. 8 and 18. 9 and 54, which is 6, so 16. 10, 11, 12, and 12. Okay, so it is 12 and 12. Okay, and then so I have y plus 12 and y plus 12, which is y plus 12, the quantity squared. Okay, so factor out of 6. I'm left with the d squared, and then 96 divided by 6, 1, 6, 36, which is 6, so that's 16. So then that is minus 16. So 6, d minus 4, d plus 4. Okay, and then E8 is a factor, so x squared minus 9p squared. So then that's factors to a difference of squares, so 8 times x minus 3p and x plus 3p. And then that is it for all the odd numbered questions.